We are now slowing down. We slow down so the other tram car can go over the highest tower. When they slow down, we slow down. When they speed up, we'll speed back up. And if they should happen to fall, we pray real hard, we'll fast. Not lately because the winter time you don't see them that much, but every once in a long while they will be walking through. Here we go! One more time! If you like Tower 2, you're going to love Tower 5.
Want to see them come by.
If you look down below us on either side, you'll see the Gatlinburg bypass. You can pick it up on either side of Gatlinburg and get past all Detroit traffic, and it does have some nice scenic views. You can say it, take a ride.
Long castle.
The one that has the octagon shape. Oh, this is
Long castle right back over there.
Really?
Oh
yeah, I can kind of see it.
That place is beautiful. We're staying right there.
Really? Okay, good. That's great news.
Yeah, we got top floor.
If you look up ahead to your right, you'll see the other tram car coming. When it passes us by, we'll be halfway. We are lower because we got more people. If you look up ahead to your left, that gray house is a cliffhanger. They call it a cliffhanger because 6 inches of it actually touches the ground. Everything else is up on stilts. If you look out your right-hand side, that 2-story gray house with the green trim is what happened with construction workers get tired of moving heavy boulders. They build up on top of them. Well, you can see that boulder is only 1/10 its actual size. If you look up ahead to your right, that creamy white colored house is the doll house. They call it the doll house because it looks like the Barbie doll dream house. That little one in front is Ken's house out there at the bar. We are now climbing our highest tower, Tower number 5, also known as the Tower of Fear. It is 2,800 feet above sea level, 1,500 feet above Gatlinburg, 300 feet off the ground. As we go over the top of that tower, the car will rock harder than it has on any other tower, so you might want to hold on. If you look out these front windows, you get a great view of the sky and the ground.
Brave for a second there.
You have your sky view and the ground view. If you look straight up the middle of the mountain up ahead, you'll see the trail lit. That trail will take you 3,500 feet above sea level. Last tower. As we go into the dark, the car will bump the sides a little bit. That's normal. Remember to hang on to that white ticket. Without that ticket, you can't get back on the tram. Last tram up tonight is 10:40. The last one going down is 11:40. We'll run on a load and go schedule. After we can unload and reload, we're pulling right back out.
Well, that was pretty cool. Enjoyed riding with you.
We'll be getting out on the left-hand side. Can I get a little pat through here, please?
Dame su parada.
Yes. Thank you. Yeah, I don't go and get them going bowling.
You'll have to feed her.
I'm a boy. My hair with my hair. I hate when someone's off in my hair.